how to make money on Displate. So come over to displate.com, and over here what I want you guys to do is simply sign up onto their website. So to sign up, all you have to do is click on the sign in button at the top right corner. And once you click on it, this is how the website will look like. Now over here on the right side, you will see that they have a option where you can join as a customer. So just simply click on create a customer account, and over here they will ask you some basic details such as your first name / nickname and last name, which is optional, then your email address, your passwords, then you have to accept their terms and services, and then just simply clear the reCAPTCHA and then click on create an account. So go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, click on create an account, and once it's created, you will have to customize your home page by picking 3 out of 8 keywords. You'll see the best design chosen on the keywords for your home page. So go ahead and choose whichever keywords you want to be able to see on your home page. So I'm gonna cancel out the animals, and I'm going to click on retro, and I'm going to click on cartoons, Japanese and Asians, cancel best selling, click on anime and manga, and then just simply click on next. And then they will ask you to create a wish list. So basically all you have to do now is just explore Displate world. So once you've signed up, this is how the website will look like. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of different options. Now, basically, if you're wondering what is Displate, it's basically a website where you can customize and sell different types of posters. Now, these posters aren't like normal posters because these posters are made out of metal sheet, hence the name Displate. They have a metal plate and these paintings are engraved on it, and these are very high quality plates. I'm telling you guys, like, look at this one over here. It's amazing. It's a red dragon on a black background. It's simple, but it is very amazing. A buddy of mine ordered one of these and it looked really awesome on the wall. And you don't need to have any sort of glue or adhesives. They give you a small metal plate, basically give you a small plate of magnets, and then you stick that magnet onto a wall, and then your Displate can be attached onto that magnet. And if you have multiple Displates, and you can just swap them out at each day or whatever you want to do with them. And they are easily removable, as I said, because they don't require any nails or pins or glue. They just stick right on there because of magnets, which I think is very awesome. That way, when you're trying to remove a poster, you don't ruin the poster or ruin your wall, which I think is very awesome. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how you can make money on Displate. Well, before that, I have to tell you a couple of things. Displate is a very high and professional workplace. It's not like Zazzle and Redbubble where you can just simply sign up and just start doing everything at once. Displate requires you to submit a portfolio, and then they will check out that portfolio, and if they think that you are legitimate and your designs really stand out, then they will accept you, and then you will be able to start selling on Displate. And I also have to mention that if you get onto Displate, you will be able to make lots and lots of dollars. Like, I'm talking about thousands of dollars every single month. And all you have to do is create a unique design and upload that JPEG, and then leave the rest onto Zazzle. So to sign up, you just simply have to scroll down at the very bottom, like really down at the bottom of the last section. And right here in the middle, you will see earn with Displate. Now, beneath that is open Displate shop. Click on it, and then this is how the website will look like. Now, as I said before, you have to submit a portfolio. So if you all have a portfolio ready, meaning that you have your credentials and your artwork and stuff like that ready, you just simply have to click on submit your portfolio, and then just simply email your portfolio to them. And that is basically it. That is how you basically sign up. But remember, guys, as I said, they have a waiting period. It can take up to 10 days, it can take up to 15 days, it can take up to a whole month. And that is because they are very serious about their reputation, as I said before. And if you scroll down below, we will see that they have a lot of serious partners with them, like Cyberpunk, like Star Wars, Marvel, DC, Overwatch, The Witcher 3. Like, these are some of the very popular games and companies that have partnered with Displate, and that is why they don't want to ruin their reputation by just letting someone. And also, you can't like copy other people's design because copyright infringement. If you do that, your account will be banned at once. So Only real talent can be allowed to come over onto Displate, and they'll be able to really make a career out of Displate. So having said that in mind, let me just tell you a little bit about how it basically works. So when you upload your artwork, you will earn up to 50% commission of total sale value by sharing the links to your artworks on social media. And you can print your artworks for less. Basically, you can buy displays with your design for 50% less. So whenever you need them for gifts or exhibition, or you want to sell them off online for yourself, you can get the product yourself for 50% less. Now, I'm sure you're wondering that why 50%, because it's your product. Well, basically you just designed the product. Everything else that has been made is done by Displate. Basically, they did all the marketing, they did all the promotion, they handled all the materials, like everything, cost of manufacturing, they did everything. You just have to design a artwork and then just submit your artwork. The rest is up to Displate. That's why they gave you a exclusive 50% off. And once you upload your design, they will promote your design up to 50 million people per month. Like 50 million people, guys. Like, that is amazing. And then you earn your commission on every artwork as sold. Now over here we have some value of commissions. So basically, if you sell a medium-sized Displate, then you will be able to earn $4. And if Displate sells a large-sized Displate, then you will be able to earn $8, and for the XL it is $13, guys, and which I think is very awesome. As I said before, this is a very exclusive and a very professional place of work. So when you come over here, you have to be very serious about it. And as you can see, over 7 million commission paid to artists already. And the highest artist payout in the last 12 months is $49,918. So that is the highest amount a artist has made in 12 months. And the all-time highest commission paid to an artist in just 1 month is $650, guys, in just 1 month. So all by submitting a simple JPEG that you created. And those designs don't really have to be that amazing as well. The more the work you put into it, the better it will be. But I'm just saying, like, guys, there are really simple designs out there as well. So if you do manage to get into Display, then you will be able to sell your artwork for a lot of price, and you will be able to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars, as I showed you over here at the above. And over 86 countries is supported by Displate, and the artists come from all these 86 countries. So it is very diverse as well, and they have about 1.5 million fans on social media as well. And as you can see over here, their growth per year on a years of total commission paid to artists is 100%. So that means that each year they have been doubling their commission. For the artists are making hundreds and thousands of dollars, and they're really getting paid for what they're worth, guys. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply come over onto Displate, submit your portfolio, upload your design, and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars. So let me just go ahead and show you a few different displays that we can see, and we can tell you guys what your competition is. So let me just go back to the home page, and over here, as you can see, we have a lot of different varieties of displays. As you can see over here, this is a very cool looking samurai display. Like, I would really like to have that on the wall. Like, it is really awesome, guys. And this one as well, the Itachi from Naruto, it is a very classic character. Like, we have Luffy from One Piece. Like, we have all these different types of displays, and they're all very amazing, guys. So what are you guys waiting for? I'm sure you've already realized this, that this is a very professional workplace, and they're also doing a really great deed, which is planting trees, and they've already planted over 14,620,836 trees planted. They've already planted 14,620,836 trees worldwide, which I think is very noble of them. And they also accept payments through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discovery, American Express, and many more. So you don't have to worry about payments as well. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply come over to Displate, start uploading your artwork, start earning commissions up to hundreds and thousands of dollars. And as I said before, make sure to submit a very professional portfolio. Basically, submit your best artworks that you possibly can, and then just wait. If you get into Displates, you're in for a world of treats, guys. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you have any other question related to this video or this website, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.